The National Electrical Contractors Association of Greater Los Angeles, NECA, and the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, IBEW, Local Union 11, represent more than 500 professional contractors and 8,000 skilled electricians in Greater Los Angeles. NECA and IBEW work together to provide the most professional contractors and skilled electricians in the construction, telecommunications, transportation, and solar industries. Jointly, IBEW and NECA own and operate the privately funded Electrical Training Institute of Southern California, or ETI, one of the nation's premier electrical training and education centers. Integrated into the ETI's facility and training program is a solar electric or photovoltaic system that generates electricity to meet most of the energy needs of the 144,000 square foot complex. Designed, built, and installed by all union contractors and labor, the ETI photovoltaic system serves as a training tool for apprentices, electricians, and contractors. The increasing demand for sustainable green energy combined with state and federal incentive programs are propelling the rapid growth of the solar industry. California has led this trend, accounting for approximately 70% of the solar electric systems installed last year. During the past few years, the solar electric industry has faced shortages of photovoltaic or PV modules. As module makers have increased production, industry experts have projected another bottleneck: a shortage of qualified, well-trained solar electricity system installers. In California, where the state's Million Solar Roofs initiative has committed over $2 billion of incentives, at least 20,000 expert installers will be needed to deploy the targeted 3,000 megawatts of PV. Only about 1,200 installers were on the job at the end of 2006. Nationally, solar incentive programs are filling in the map. Projected cumulative U.S. national PV installations are expected to total about 6,000 megawatts by 2016. Climate change and national security concerns may push the solar industry to grow even faster. 30,000 to 40,000 installers may be needed in California, and as many as 80,000 to 90,000 nationwide. How will the industry train so many installers in relatively few years? NECA contractors and IBEW electricians have the business and technical expertise, financial resources, workforce, training institutions, and programs to meet the projected installer demand. Nationally, there are 275 IBEW and NECA electrical training centers and 700,000 IBEW members. California has 26 training facilities and about 50,000 well-trained IBEW electricians. To become a journeyman electrician requires 5 years and 8,000 hours of on-the-job training and related classroom education. IBEW and NECA of Southern California have created a unique, hands-on solar PV immersion training program that graduates up to 200 PV installers per class, qualifying these already certified electricians to be first-class PV installers. Taught by ETI instructors and PV solar engineers, the program blends solar-specific lecture hall, small classroom, and hands-on training sessions. In lecture hall sessions, industry experts present the latest technology and applications of solar PV modules, inverters, wiring, and racking. For hands-on sessions, trainees break into smaller groups and work through a series of specialized training stations. Siting evaluation. Using PV industry standards and state-of-the-art tools, electricians learn the importance of building orientation, shading and separation, array orientation, and azimuth positioning. System sizing. Here, electricians master the art of matching electrical loads with the generating capacity of prospective solar systems. String sizing. Understanding the effect of ambient temperature, electricians match modules with inverters to determine the optimum size and number of strings. Module testing. Electricians already know how inefficient it is to find defective electrical equipment after installing it. In this station, they test individual solar PV component performance before installation. Racking assembly and module mounting. Electricians easily build up PV racks, then mount and secure modules. Inverter wiring. This station provides comprehensive instruction in safely wiring DC solar arrays to industrial, commercial, and residential inverters, as well as AC power into the building main electrical panel. System testing and operation. Here, electricians fully test and troubleshoot the completed, installed system for all aspects of performance and reliability. Monitoring. Solar system monitoring is required for performance-based incentives. Electricians master the latest tools for performance evaluation, revenue grade metering, troubleshooting, and maintenance. Utilizing this innovative PV training program, IBEW and NECA have trained PV installers in Los Angeles, San Francisco, Sacramento, and around California. With a California annual training capacity of 1,700 and a national rate of 12,000 per year, IBEW and NECA can train a projected 120,000 certified electricians to be professional PV installers by 2016, meeting or exceeding the solar industry's most optimistic growth projections. The unique and progressive cooperation between NECA and IBEW in Los Angeles and around the nation has produced world-class electrical training facilities, like the Electrical Training Institute of Southern California, as well as an industry model for training and graduating expertly qualified PV installers. For more information, visit our website, www.yoursolar.solution.org.